The 2025 Cadillac Escalade is a luxury SUV that perfectly blends power, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Its bold and modern design, spacious interior, and high-end features make it a top choice in the premium SUV category. The 2025 model introduces advanced features such as a massive touchscreen infotainment system, state-of-the-art driver assistance systems, and a more powerful engine. It is available with a 6.2-liter V8 engine producing 420 horsepower, while a hybrid or fully electric version is also expected. The interior is exceptionally luxurious, featuring high-end leather seats, a premium audio system, and an advanced suspension setup to ensure a smooth and comfortable ride. Safety is a priority, with features like lane keeping assist, automatic braking, and a 360-degree camera system enhancing the driving experience. The Cadillac Escalade is not only a luxury family SUV but also a statement of prestige and road presence. The 2025 Tesla Model Y is a fully electric SUV that combines innovation, efficiency, and practicality. Known for its long-range battery, aerodynamic design, and advanced self-driving features, the Model Y is an excellent choice for those looking for a high-performance electric vehicle. The 2025 model is expected to include improved battery technology, an updated interior, and enhanced autopilot features. With a potential range of 350 to 400 miles, the Model Y will continue to lead in the F segment. It offers rapid acceleration, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. The minimalist yet futuristic interior includes a large touchscreen display, seamless connectivity options, and a spacious cabin. Tesla's full self-driving (FSD) capabilities make driving safer and more convenient, while the improved aerodynamics boost efficiency. The Tesla Model Y is a perfect blend of sustainability, technology, and performance, making it an ideal choice for modern drivers. The 2025 Chevrolet Impala Supersport SS is a legendary American sedan that delivers both performance and luxury. If Chevrolet reintroduces the Impala SS, it is expected to be a high-performance sedan powered by a V8 engine producing between 500 and 600 horsepower. The design will maintain its classic full-size proportions while incorporating modern elements such as an aggressive front grille, aerodynamic body lines, and sporty accents. Inside, the Impala SS will offer premium materials, cutting-edge infotainment, and advanced connectivity features. Its handling and suspension will be engineered for a smooth yet thrilling driving experience, making it a serious competitor in the performance sedan segment. With a combination of raw power, elegant styling, and advanced technology, the Chevrolet Impala SS is set to capture the hearts of car enthusiasts and performance lovers alike. The 2025 Chevy Corvette C10 is a high-performance sports car known for its exceptional speed, stunning design, and thrilling driving experience. If Chevrolet brings back the Corvette C10, it is likely to feature a V8 engine producing between 650 and 700 horsepower. The aerodynamic design and lightweight carbon fiber body will contribute to improved performance and efficiency. The interior will be driver-focused, with a high-tech infotainment system, racing-style sports seats, and premium materials. The handling and braking systems will be top-tier, making it a perfect car for speed enthusiasts. Corvette has always been a symbol of American muscle and performance, and the 2025 C10 model will continue this legacy with modern engineering and advanced features. It will remain a top choice for those seeking power, precision, and style. The 2025 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is an iconic muscle car that continues to dominate the high-performance segment. The GT500 has always been known for its aggressive styling, unmatched power, and track-ready performance. The 2025 model is expected to come with an improved 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine producing over 800 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Mustangs ever built. The design will be bold and aggressive, featuring LED headlights, massive air intakes, and a large rear spoiler that enhances aerodynamics and stability. Inside, the Mustang GT500 will offer a modern cockpit with an advanced infotainment system, premium sports seats, and a high-quality sound system. The handling and acceleration will be exceptional, with state-of-the-art suspension and braking systems ensuring precision at high speeds. The Mustang Shelby GT500 is not just a car, it's a legendary machine built for those who crave power, speed, and an adrenaline-fueled driving experience. Each of these top 5 cars of 2025 represents a unique blend of performance, technology, and luxury, catering to different types of car enthusiasts, from muscle car lovers to those who prefer electric innovation or high-end luxury SUVs.